In this video, I'm going to show you how to wire transfer to Kalshi. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Kalshi, make sure you're signed in, go to the top left, press on these three bars. You want to scroll down until you see manage funds. Then you want to select on deposit. Now, all you want to do is you want to press on from, and then over here, you want to press on more options, scroll down, and you're going to see this section that says wire transfer. Now, wire transfer is definitely the way to do it if you're trying to send like a large amount of money over onto Kalshi and stuff like that. So there are a few things to note because unfortunately, you can't just use it. You will need to meet certain criteria. First of all, you need to have a US bank because only US banks are eligible, and you will need to make sure you deposit a minimum of $1,000. So again, this is going to be for bigger transactions and stuff like that. There is no maximum, and wires must be received by Kalshi Clear LLC before 4 p.m. Eastern time for attribution within 1 business day. So of course, the time of day you put in the actual wire transfer also does play a factor. And then in the bottom, it's going to let you know all the information, the bank name, the bank number and stuff like that, the routing number that you will need to use in order to actually send the funds over onto your Kalshi account. So be very careful with that. And guys, make sure you do not mess anything up in terms of that. It needs to be 1,000% accurate. The last thing you want to do is you want to send money to like the wrong address or like get a hold up or something like that. So it is incredibly important that you write everything with extreme accuracy and detail. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.